it's usually macam lesson tu I tak akan lupa sampai bila-bila. Because I remember form 3, cikgu BM I tak siap karangan. Karangan was sent over the weekend and be reminded my mother mengajar kat sekolah yang sama. Okay.
Oh, that's awkward.
Okay, yes. Okay. So my teacher tu, of course, the rest kena rotan. Anak cikgu pun dia kena rotan juga.
Mesti.
So of course dipanggil ke depan lah. Duduk and then but I was clever at the time. I thought I was clever. I thought I was clever. I letak wallet dalam I punya back pocket.
Does that work? I know people do that, but
that's the thing. Cikgu nampak lah kan. Cikgu tahu lah, so it was removed. It was like, keluar wallet tu. Okay lah, bawa keluar wallet atas meja. And then pap kena. And that's the thing. I mean, like it or not, macam it's of course it's considered a little bit of violence, but it's something that stuck to me to this day yang aku tak lupa.